Today we're taking a super close look at marigolds, one of the brightest and easiest flowers you can grow in your garden. Even if you're new to gardening, marigolds are the kind of plant that makes you feel like a pro. So let's learn about them, where they come from, the different kinds you can grow, how they help with pests, and some fun facts you might not know. Marigolds actually come from Mexico and Central America, where they've been growing for hundreds of years. People love them so much that marigolds spread all around the world. Today, you can find them in almost every garden because they're tough, they're colorful, and they're super easy to grow. There are a few main types of marigolds you'll see in stores: African marigolds, French marigolds, and signet marigolds. The African marigolds grow the biggest flowers, sometimes as big as a baseball. French marigolds are smaller, bushier, and great for containers. And signet marigolds are tiny flowers with a lemony smell and feathery leaves. They come in colors like yellow, orange, red, and even mixes of all three. Some look fluffy, some look like little suns, and some have stripes. Now let's talk pest control. One of the coolest things about marigolds is that they help protect your garden. Their roots release a natural chemical that keeps away certain pests in the soil, and their strong smell helps scare off bugs like mosquitoes and aphids. Gardeners often plant marigolds next to tomatoes, peppers, and herbs to keep those plants safe. Marigolds grow best in USDA zones 2 through 11, which means almost everywhere in the United States. They love warm weather and sunshine, so summer and early fall are their favorite seasons. Now let's talk about how to care for marigolds. They need full sun at least 6 hours a day. You want to water them when the soil feels dry, but don't let them stay soggy. You'll also want to do deadheading. If you pick off the old dried up flowers, new ones will grow even faster. And if you're planting them in the ground, give them room to breathe so they don't get crowded. If you follow these simple steps, marigolds will bloom nonstop. And here are some fun things you might not know. Marigolds are sometimes called the sunshine flower because of their bright colors. They're used in celebrations, especially in Mexico. Bees and butterflies love them, so they're great for pollinator gardens, and you can grow marigolds from seeds really easily. They sprout fast and grow rather quickly. So that's your close-up look at marigolds. They're colorful, they're helpful, and they're easy to grow, which makes them perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners. Whether you plant them in containers or in the ground, marigolds bring instant happiness to any garden. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.